Now that we've talked about order of operations in PEMDAS, we're going to continue our lesson with signed numbers. When adding signed numbers, we have to remember that when we're adding two positive numbers, our answer will be positive. When adding two negative numbers, our answer will be a negative number. But when we're adding a negative number to a positive number, or a positive number to a negative number, we have to subtract the numbers and keep the sign of the larger number. For these subtraction rules, we have to make two adjustments in our problems. We have to keep the first number as it is. We'll change the minus sign to a plus sign, and we'll change the second sign number to its opposite. This means a positive number will become negative, or a negative number will become positive. Lastly, we'll remember to use the sign number rules for addition. For multiplication and division, we have to take the problem two values at a time in order to apply the rules. When we multiply or divide two numbers with the same sign, meaning that they're both positive or both signs are negative, the answer will be a positive number. When we multiply or divide two numbers with different signs, then the answer will be a negative number. Let's take a look at our example. In this problem, we have a fraction with several parts. So the first thing we do, according to order of operations, will be to take care of our grouping symbols. Everything else will stay the same. So I have 8 divided by 4 times 2 minus the square root of 9 is 3. In my denominator, I have negative 8 minus the square root of 16 is 4. Next, I'll take care of 7 to the second power, my exponent. Everything else will stay the same. 7 to the second power is 49. I have no exponents in my denominator, so I'm just carrying it down. Next, according to order of operations, I look for multiplication and division. In my numerator, I have both, but I have to remember that I take care of these operations as they occur from left to right. So I have to divide first. 8 divided by 4 is 2. In my denominator, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now in my numerator, I have the multiplication. 2 times 2 is 4. I'm going to leave my denominator for now. Now in my numerator, I have 4 minus 3 plus 49. So I have subtraction and addition. But again, I have to remember that I take care of subtraction and addition as they occur from left to right. So I have 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 49. I'm going to leave my denominator for just a minute. My numerator, I have 1 plus 49, and that gives me 50 in my numerator. My denominator, I have negative 8 minus 2. So according to my sign number rules, I keep my first number as it is, change the subtraction sign to addition, and I use the opposite of the second number. The opposite of positive 2 is negative 2. In my denominator, I have negative 8 plus 2. So I'm adding two numbers with the same sign. I add the numbers and keep the sign. Negative 8 plus negative 2 is negative 10. Lastly, I will simplify my fraction. Positive 50 divided by negative 10 Positive divided by negative will give me a negative answer of 5.